Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 9 days away from Money in the Bank, a night in which two superstars will win a briefcase for a world title match at a time of their choosing.
I want to see one man in this ring right now, and that's the WWE Champion. Edge, you have what I want, and I plan to take it at Money in the Bank.
Awesome!
I want this, I want that.
Give it a rest, will you? I mean, Triple H, when will you learn? I don't care what you want. It's what I want that matters. Edge learned that, and look what he got. The WWE Championship. That could have been you. Instead, you got diddly squat, didn't you?
Edge would sell his own mother for a stick of gum. Now where is he?
Well, as the WWE Universe saw, Edge fought heroically last week and defeated Orton to retain his title.
Only after Orton was distracted.
However, Edge suffered a terrible injury.
Triple H, you're right. At Money in the Bank, I will put my title on the line against you. Is what I'd say if I hadn't twisted my ankle last week. But unfortunately, I won't be able to defend my title at Money in the Bank. And that's really too bad, because...
Enough! It looks like I'm gonna spend the night in jail for what I'm about to do to you.
Stop him!
Miz has sent out his henchmen.
Oh, that's not going to stop the game.
One problem, King. Miz and Edge escaped. The game is absolutely irate.
Well, for Edge's sake, he better hope Triple H calms down.
I wouldn't bet on it. Pedigree, the game hits it.
Not this.
He's looking at it again. Face first, pedigree from the game. Whoa, he's measuring. What a move. Can he capitalize?